Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel this week. I'll just get larded up. For those of you who've been following the recent videos, we're on number 4 of Thomas Lund 8-day sets. Yeah, not 7 days, 8 days. 8 days a week. I always thought there were 7 days in a week. So we've done 1, 2 and 3. So today, number 4. This really creamy soap, by the way, is the Pro Raso Red. It's got plenty of glycerine, coconut oil, sandalwood, great Italian soap, cheap as chips, highly recommended. So, put some paper out there. So let's get this set, just to refresh the old memory. Here is the 8-day set. All nice and clean, pretty pristine really. So today we're doing number 4. Number 4. Put that back. As you will notice from my other videos, they're all pretty much about this T Lund razor set. They're all pretty much in the same condition, nice and clean. No water stains to speak of. This is number 4 with the same initials as before, as the others. So I'll just test out the sharpness. A bit of light would be good. The last shave test was on Monday, so this is like 4 days old beard. And it's making short work, just one stroke of the blade. So it's quite an efficient beard butcher. Quite nicely balanced, these blades as well, I have to say. I'm using all of the blade. So from the front of the toe to the heel, I'm using all the blade. Sometimes I'll use the guillotine method, which takes a bit of practice. But as you're going down your neck, you start at the heel and then draw it in a diagonal line like a guillotine. So you got work from the heel to the toe of the blade in a diagonal. Quite efficient. Quite a nice straight line there. There we go. Nice and quick and easy, very efficient. Shave test for blade number 4. I'll probably shave test 5 and 6 beginning of the week, next week. Give me a chance over the weekend for the beard to grow a little bit. And then after that I've got a beautiful set coming, a 7-day set this time, made by a well-known maker, Tennis Solingen again. So if you want to keep up to date with all my latest shave and razor videos, just click the subscribe button. So it's for free, you know, it doesn't cost you anything. So that's blade number 4. Okay, have a great weekend and catch up with you next week. Bye for now.